Welcome to the Daily Chuckles Show, hosted by Omar. Please like and subscribe.
My brother is deaf, but he makes loud noises in his sleep. His wife is only deaf in the one ear, so she sleeps with her deaf ear facing him so as to not be bothered during the night. As you might imagine, this presents a minor issue when communicating after they turn the lights out. But really, it's not as bad as all that. After lights out, what's the only thing you normally want to communicate to your partner? Hey baby, let's do it. So one night, my sister-in-law turns to my brother and tells him, in sign language, hey, this random rubbing up against each other when we're in the mood isn't really working so well. You know how grumpy I get when I miss out on sleep. Why don't we figure out some way to know if the other person is feeling horny or if they want to sleep? Okay, says my brother. Great. Well then, how about if you want sex, you reach over and pull on my boob one time? And then if I am horny, but you want to show that you don't want sex, you just reach over and pull on my boob 2 times. My brother replies, yeah, that's a great idea. And if you want sex, just reach over and pull on my dick 1 time. When tell you that I am horny, but you don't want sex, just reach over and pull on my dick 263 times.